Hey Jayne, time for science. Ready to go study forces in motion again? You're ready to take more of a nap. You get the idea that my cats sleep most of the day. Yeah, when we're at school, they're asleep. They have the life. Hi again. Before we get very far, go get yourself a ball or a toy car, something that you can push easily around your house. Stop the video and go get that so you can do some activities with me. Turn the video back on when you're ready.
Hi, we've been talking about forces in motion, and lately we were talking about the direction of the force. What happens to motion when I apply a force? When I push in this direction, the object moves in that direction. If I push in this direction, the object moves there. If I pull in this direction, the object moves back. So the object is going to move in the same direction the force is. Now we're going to talk about how the amount of motion, we're going to talk about how the amount of force changes the motion. If you use a lot of force, what does that do to the motion? If you use a little force, what does that do to the motion? For instance, if I just push this a little bit, I just get a little bit of motion. If I push this a lot and apply a lot of force, see how much more motion I got, how much faster it went? Get your ball or toy, whatever you're going to use, and let's try that a little bit. So let's use a little bit of motion, a little bit of force, see what happens to the motion. Yeah, your object probably didn't go very far, shouldn't have. Let's try a lot of force. Give it a hard push. Did it move much faster? Let's try another push. This time I have a ball, I'm gonna throw it in the air. If you have a ball, you can do that. If you have a toy that shouldn't go in the air, don't toss that. So I'm gonna do a little push. I'm pushing up with my hands. Went a little bit up in the air. I'm gonna use more force in a bigger push. Let's try a spinning motion. I'm going to make a light spinning motion. Just spin a little bit. I'm going to use more force. Going and going and going and going and going. All right, so the more force we put on an object, the more it moves. The less force we put on an object, the less it moves. We just tried that. Now I want you to try something else.